Army sources said on Monday that an incident of minor face-off occurred between India and Chinese troops last week. Army said in a statement that we have received several queries regarding a face-off between Indian Army and PLA troops in Sikkim sector. It is clarified that there was a minor face-off at Nakula area of North Sikkim on January 20th and the same was resolved by local commanders as per established protocols. The centre on Monday told the Delhi High Court that WhatsApp was treating Indian users differently from its European ones with regard to opting out of its new privacy policy, and this was a matter of concern for the government, which is looking into it. The central government told the High Court that this was also a matter of concern that Indian users were being unilaterally subjected to the change in privacy policy by social networking platform WhatsApp. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said on Monday that no one is being forced to raise Jai Shri Ram slogans and there is nothing to feel bad about such chants after his West Bengal counterpart Mamata Banerjee refused to speak at an event over raising of such slogans. Banerjee on Saturday refused to speak at an official event attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to mark the beginning of the celebrations of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's 124th birth anniversary after Jai Shri Ram slogans were raised just before she was to start her address. Tata Medical and Diagnosis, a newly formed subsidiary of Tata Sons, is said to have started initial discussions with the US company Moderna for a partnership to launch its COVID-19 vaccine in India. Tata could team up with the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research to carry out clinical trials of Moderna vaccine candidate in India. The coronavirus pandemic has worsened existing income inequalities between India's super-rich and its crores of unskilled workers. Non-profit group Oxfam said on Monday in a report to be tabled at the World Economic Forum at Switzerland's Davos. The report, titled Inequality Virus, said the wealth of the country's billionaires increased by an estimated 35% during the lockdown, while 84% of the households suffered varying degrees of income loss and 1.7 lakh people lost their jobs every hour in April 2020 alone.